Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through setting up a VPN on Windows 11 quickly and cleanly. Start by opening Settings from the Start menu. Click Network and Internet, then select VPN. Choose Add VPN, and under VPN Provider, pick Windows Built-in. Give the connection a simple name so you recognize it later. Enter the server address from your VPN service. For VPN type, leave Automatic unless your provider specifies otherwise. Add your username and password if required, then save. Now go back to the VPN page, select your new connection, and click Connect. Once connected, your traffic is encrypted and your IP is protected. To disconnect, return here and hit Disconnect anytime. That's it. You're now using a VPN on Windows 11 with no extra software installed. This method works for most providers and keeps your system lightweight, fast, and integrated with Windows for everyday use securely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.